Okay, good. All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. So our trip has just started. So we are going Oceancity, Maryland. We're gonna stay there for 3 nights there. There's another family, my friend's family is coming. So we're gonna make a lot of videos and a lot of new uploads. So enjoy it. We have a lot of stuff, and it's gonna be beach house front, so it will be amazing. So we have all packed up. Our dog Bear, he's at home, and our neighbor, he gonna take care of him. So we are trying to set up that way this time, but the next time we're gonna bring with us, so he will be included. So it's all set, and we are just started. It's around 1:37 p.m. And today is 26th, right? So see you soon, and we're gonna show you the bridge again, the Bay Bridge, the famous Bay Bridge. Okay, all right.
We're approaching the bridge.
All right, guys. So there was a delay on the bridge because there might be some work here, and we are. Alright guys, this is American villages. ये गांव है अमेरिका के. Look at this house. ये house कितना दूर दूर है, और field है, और ये house आ रहे हैं सामने को. ये उस side में भी कुछ house है. ये सब village हैं, अमेरिका के गांव. और कितने neat and clean है यार. सब सुविधाएं. इंडिया के शहर भी इतनी सुविधाएं में नहीं होंगे जितने यहाँ के गांव है. देखो कितने villages, nice house, अलग अलग एकदम.
Don't open that, it stinks.
Beautiful. Right, guys, we are just taking a break here in a Royal Farm. Royal Farms are gas stations, like petrol gas stations. So let's go, Yash. You stay here.
Take off my shoes after.
Okay. So you're gonna take some.
Take a selfie.
Come on, yes. Come on. It's okay.
Alright guys, so we are about to reach, and this is our spot. Look at this on the speaker. Look at this. This is where we are staying. So we are just 6-5 minutes away, and then we'll be there very soon. And everything is just amazing. It's 4:47. Yeah, it's just sunset, and it's yeah, beautiful day. Nice driving. And look at this, look, beautiful there. This is Ocean City. We're entering in Ocean City. Beautiful. So that's our place. We're staying here. Yes. You can see the beach house. You can see the beach right off the beach right off. So anyway, this is the building we're staying in. Yeah. There we are. So there we have the park. Alright.
Okay, that's.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
So,
I got kind of scared.
That's a kitchen.
wait.
That's
I
dining
caught
table.
taco. I caught taco.
That's the bedrooms, that's the TV, and that's right there beach. Look at this. Wow, boardwalk is right over the beach, man. It's such a beautiful, look at this. So we're gonna do walking on a boardwalk, and this is how it is. Beautiful.
Nice.
Yeah. Beautiful sunset, man. We'll go for a walk. Look at there's a ship. So that's a big, man. That's a huge. Okay.
So there are a couple things. One, this is that garage door thing that we need to open it.
We only have one.
No, I have another one.
We have two.
Okay.
So let me keep one.
Okay.
So they gave two, so I'm keeping one and
Yeah,
you.
I'm keeping one.
Yeah, this for some reason did not work. I don't know why.
We'll work it
Yeah.
out.
So these are the keys that we need. Yeah, this is for garage, lobby door, and elevator. All of them. That's the key. And the Wi-Fi and well,
That's been
It's already there.
First thing.
there are some things that we need to sign. And here is, oh my god, I forgot. We
Exactly.
need to
For
pass.
the car.
That's good that you already did this.
He was like, "It's a headache, Ravi ka."
Everything is done by Ravi.
Well, we came early, so we figured out most of the. Why don't you keep this in the car?
Oh, okay.
Immediately.
Sure,
I
sure.
even forgot. And
Okay.
there are some things we need to sign. After we come back, we can do that. I'll go back there.
Hey, which room is yours? Go to hum.
Oh, sorry.
That's the kitchen, fridge, everything is there, guys.
So which one is
Look at this. Beautiful.
There's so many closets here, unbelievable.
Unbelievable, man. Oh, man. Look at his bathrooms.
I haven't gone into this room yet.
Bedroom.
This is the kids.
Yeah.
thing.
This
There.
is kids' room.
And then come here. Look at this. They have
Their bathroom, huh?
the bathrooms here, and then they have a closet is very deep.
Wow.
For them.
Indeed, in fact, you didn't.
For them, okay.
And you can
That's a perfect place for you to sleep. I know.
Yes. Oh, that's our bedroom. Wow. Let me look.
TV. Yes. Oh God. Oh, it's okay. This is a side view. Oh, look at this. Beach. This is our bedroom. Close the door. That's it. Huh? I'm coming, Ravi. Yes. This is all empty. This is amazing. Yes. So this is fabulous, man. This is fabulous. Yes. I am. Yes. Look at this. Hey, we're sleeping on the first floor. There's a closet in the motor area. That's all laundry stuff. Again, I can show you this. Oh, beautiful, man. Crazy beautiful. See people are walking. You can hear the sound. Oh, that's Winnie. Hey, Winnie's here, right? See, that's Winnie. That's Winnie. See? So you had that jacket, beautiful. Gosh, look at the sound here. Awesome. Yeah, there's a pizza, everything, you know? Oh, gorgeous. So it will be fun, man. Every day, one video, nice video, update video. We're gonna do a bike ride on this walkboard, and and we'll explore a lot of beaches, enjoy things, you know. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah.
So we have matar paneer, we have dahi bhindi, and now I'm gonna take little achar. And we have so many rotis. This achar is very
You
good.
ready for roti, Sabji?
Look at
Eat
this.
fast quickly, and then we should try.
Okay, we have
Go for a
so
ride.
much rotis. Rotis
Yeah.
are very nice.
You haven't eaten anything, Sana.
And we have
You want some?
Indian style rice cooker, so we are cooking rice also. And this is what our dinner is. So we're gonna enjoy the dinner, okay?
Why?
Wow. Let me taste this. Matar paneer. I think right there. Amazing. Nice. Wow. So good. Yeah. Alright guys. I will make one more video and then call it a quit. Day 1. So stay tuned.
Hi there, he's eating kibble. Yes, yeah, good. Then he's eating. He's best. Hi there. Hi. Hello. Look at it. Look at it. There, come on. I think you can put a light. Yeah, your light's on, right? Hi. Okay. So we're just showing him there. Our neighbor Andy is taking care of him. Alright. Yeah, he's hearing voices. Yeah, they. Yes. Alright, guys. Okay.
For dinner time.
Bindi and you're tasting to see how it is. That was
Maybe. So what we have in the dinner? What is this, Peter?
trash can look over there.
What is this?
Dahi bindi
Oh, diamond. The other one?
is paneer, kadai paneer.
Okay. And there's rice
Paneer, you like paneer, right? Butter paneer.
and rotis, yogurts. Alright guys, so we're gonna watch some movie tonight. And maybe we'll go for a walk a little bit on a boardwalk. And then not in the night. Yeah. Alright guys. We had food, we have everything. I'm just sitting in the balcony. See, it's just a rocking chair. So many rocking chairs are there. Look at this. There's a rocking chair, just hang out. And there's a beach there, right there. So I'm gonna end this video today. And tomorrow, second day, I will do a lot of stuff. So we're gonna keep making our videos and enjoying the life at Ocean Beach. So wait for the next video. Enjoy my video, okay? And comment what do you want to see on a beach actually, okay? Give a comment, subscribe the channel, and in the morning, probably tomorrow morning, is kind of a little cloudy. I hope it's not, then we can see some sunrise right from here. This is the east, so we'll get sunrise right there. Maybe not today, tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow we will have some clear sky, so we'll get a beautiful sunrise. So anyway, we'll see our luck, and enjoy your day, and like, subscribe, and enjoy the channel. Bye bye.